everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of crochet with 30 free amigurumi patterns that cater to every skill level. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for you. Amigurumi is such a fun and creative way to express yourself through yarn. From cute animals to whimsical toys, these patterns are not only adorable but also a great way to practice your crochet skills. Let's jump right in. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. And there you have it. Patterns for everything from magical creatures to adorable animals. Remember, the key is to have fun and enjoy the process. Don't forget to check the links in the description for all the patterns mentioned today. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. Thanks for joining me today. If you love these patterns, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet content. Happy crocheting, and see you next time.
We'll be right back.